Hi, my name is Christina, and welcome to Chrissy's Corner. Alrighty guys, we have stripped all our garden beds for autumn, and the crops we shall be planting is lettuce and coriander. Alright guys, first of all we're going to be planting our lettuce. You want to break it up into pieces and plant it individually, so you just want to squish it like that and then gently take it out. And then break it up into pieces. Alrighty guys, we have finished planting all our lettuce. Now it's time to put some coriander in between them. Alright guys, we're done planting our lettuce and our coriander. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.